In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a passkey in Yahoo Mail. We will walk through each screen so you always know exactly what you should be seeing and doing. To begin, sign in to your Yahoo account. Use your usual email address and password, then complete any prompt that appears. Once you sign in successfully, you should land on your Yahoo homepage or inbox with your messages visible and your profile icon showing near the top. Now open the Yahoo account security page. You can get there from your account area, which will load a page focused on security and login options. When it opens, you should see sections about how you sign in, including things like passwords and verification methods. From there, click Profile, then Manage Your Account, then Security. Each click will move you deeper into your settings. After you choose Security, the page will switch to show security controls for your Yahoo account. Look for a section that lists ways to sign in, such as passwords, two-step verification, and passkeys. Under Passkeys, click Create Passkey. When you click it, Yahoo will open a new panel or window on your screen. This panel explains that a passkey lets you sign in with your device instead of typing a password. At this point, nothing is final yet, you are just starting the setup flow. Next, choose where to save the passkey, either on your device or in your password manager. On many phones and computers, you will see your built-in password system suggested automatically. If you have a dedicated password manager that supports passkeys, it may appear here as another option. Your choice here decides which device or tool will handle your future logins for this Yahoo account. After that, verify your identity using your fingerprint. If your phone or computer has a fingerprint reader, it will light up or show a prompt on screen. Place the correct finger on the sensor and hold it until the device confirms. You will usually see a quick check mark or a message saying fingerprint recognized when it works. If your device supports Face ID, you can verify your identity using your face instead. Hold the device so your face is inside the frame on screen, and keep still for a moment. Most devices complete this step in a second or two and then move you forward automatically. On devices without fingerprint or face unlock, verify using your device PIN or screen lock. Type your PIN or unlock pattern exactly the same way you use it to unlock the device. When the PIN or screen lock is accepted, Yahoo immediately uses that confirmation to protect and link your new passkey. Once your verification is done, click Done. The setup window will close or shrink, and you are taken back to the Yahoo account security page. You will not need to save anything manually here, the change is already applied. Now look under the Passkeys section again. The device you just used will appear under Passkeys in your security settings, usually with a name that matches your phone or computer. That confirms the passkey is active and ready to use for future sign-ins without typing your password. You have just set up a secure passkey for your Yahoo Mail account, so please give this video a thumbs up to help others find it, and subscribe if you want more guides like this.